come over here. All right, go ahead. Walking in the rain on the very rainy day, and we're having lots of fun just walking in the rain. Walking down the sidewalk, stepping in the puddles, having lots of fun on a very rainy day. Okay. No, let's keep walking. We don't have to step in every puddle. Got these umbrellas from the bin store. It was a set of like 12 for $3, I think. And they really come in handy. I love to walk in the rain. All right, we'll go a little further. All right, I want each of you to take one of these leaves. Just take off a little piece.
This is Millie. Yeah,
That's right. Take off a piece. Smell it. Which one did you grab, Pop?
I grabbed it.
And what does it smell like?
It smells like mint.
What does yours smell like, Pop?
I'm grabbing another one. I'm gonna grab another.
Okay, because there's more than just mint there. Let me see your leaf, Pop. Oh, yeah.
Can we eat them?
Now, take it in your hand. Take off the leaf. Take the leaf and go like this. And now smell. That's even stronger, huh?
Wow.
Isn't that even stronger? You know what you can do with this?
What?
You can eat it. You can make tea out of it.
I'm gonna eat it first.
Mmm. Mmm.
It tastes
No, not like that it don't. Yeah, that's mint. Whoa, the rain is coming hard now.
good. I can eat it right now. I licked it. Can I eat it?
Can you see the one in the center?
Yeah.
That is not mint. That is sage.
Let's see.
You can pull off one of the leaves and give a smell.
Oh, that one?
Here. Now, do you see one with 4? Don't eat it, Pop. No, no. Do you see one with 4 leaves?
I don't see one yet.
All I see are 3 leaves. A 4-leaf clover is very rare.
A 4-leaf clover is very rare.
Very rare.
I didn't slip. I got here first.
Set. Go. It's a rainy day and the kids are going stir crazy in the house, so I had to get them outside. Run! You did. Hop! Hop! Let me see your hops. Hop, Papa. Hop to the fence like a bunny. Hop back. Hop back. You guys are galloping. You ain't hopping. No.
So it's like a flat one?
No. Apparently the bounce house has collected water, so it's good for hopping on.
I didn't see water, but anyway.
Papa, why are you holding your umbrella like the Morton Salt girl? Okay, don't do that. Don't do that, or I'll take them. I don't want them getting destroyed. We'll put them up for next time. You see everything you do Papa wants to do? No, pick it up, Pop. Well, we'll fix that later. Come over here, Pop. Leave it, Pop. Pop. Don't do that. It's supposed to protect your head from the rain. Come here, Millie. Let me get a picture of you.
one.